Hey guys, back again with another trading video. This is for the 19th of September. Right here we're looking at the bund. So basically what happened today was we had a nice big rally earlier on, and then basically a complete reversal. Now I gotta be honest, there was a bit of a support level here earlier on from the previous day, and I did try to buy this for continuation of the trend. So 164, nice even number right there. It held as support once. I missed that. It came back down again. Got a bit of a bounce. There was definitely absorption there. So I tried that. That didn't work, and the market just completely reversed. Now, when the market completely reverses like this, the first thing that most traders are gonna try and do is, they're thinking in their mind, I missed this entire move down. It completely caught me by surprise. It blindsided me, right? So when it comes down to the 78s, or maybe a little bit above that, what they're gonna do is I gotta sell this, and I need to get into this sell off before it continues without me. So this is what most retail traders are thinking, and that is why I am not a fan of just selling lows, guys, cause that is a mug's game. Okay, so the big players, the professionals who created this move, okay, are basically gonna cover at 78. So does it really make sense, guys, that when you think about it, let's say you missed this entire move, and it caught you completely off guard, and you're all emotional, and you start selling this low right here at 78. I mean, you're basically just asking for trouble, right? You're kind of asking for it. So let's see what happens if I try and sell this 78 right here. If I see some size, I'll go ahead and short it. So basically it's trading the 78s right now. So you see a bit of size trading the 78s, so go ahead and short that there. Let's say I'm the retail trader. Alright, basically just bounces right there. I'm just gonna keep my stop real tight to maybe yeah, I don't know, I'll give it a standard retail kind of 4 tick stop. Okay. So breaks the 78s. I'm feeling really good about myself now, being a retail trader and everything. So yeah, I managed to sell that breakout down there, and satisfy my need to trade. So I'm feeling good, but at this, it's having difficulty. Sellers are having a really hard time getting through the 78s, and oh no, no good. That's bad, guys. Ah shit, I'm gonna get stopped out. It's trading the 81s. It's trading the 81s. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah man, I got tagged. Guys. I got stopped out. I sold the 78s looking for further breakdown, and yeah, I just got screwed. Now seriously, guys, what the hell do you think was really gonna happen? Do you really think it was gonna some seller was gonna come in and slam the 78s and take out all those stops there. Nah, come on. I mean, this big move down, there were a ton of shorts who were already in there, and this is a completely perfectly logical area to cover your shorts, right? So no, guys, I mean, you don't go around, selling this, right? Unless you want to lose money and donate that money. So the kind of the way I look at it is I want to look for a nice level, pullback level, and then get short there. Okay, so that level that I identified was this 86 right here. So I wanna sell this level here. Okay, so I expect the bounce here. Okay, and if the trend is gonna continue, it should hold the 68. You can see a bit of a couple of green candles right there, and a bit of a bounce. So that's where I expect the professionals to come in and continue the trend down, and basically break the lows from there. So right, let's see what happens. So I'm looking at the 68s. Okay, so trades right up, continues trading. So these are all just basically the people covering their shorts. They had a fantastic move from the high here at the tens. So they had a fantastic move. They're good for the day. Okay, it's the retail traders that are trying to get in on this move, but you gotta be smart about it, guys. You gotta be smart about it. Okay, so you can't just go around selling lows and buying highs. That's a strategy that's not gonna work in the long run. Okay, guys, so I'm really focused on the 86 level right here. Okay, and I'm just looking for momentum to shift, sellers to come in, offers to get heavy. Okay, right, center that. And okay, so see a bit of I see a bit of size there, reloading on at 84s. Okay, it's trading the 85s right now. Okay, it trades, the offer backs away a little bit, offer backs away a touch. See if we can trade through that, or if there's a guy reloading there. So a bit of a reload there at 85. Okay, you can see that 258 hitting the offer. It kind of reloaded. Okay, and look how shady this activity is. Seven freaking orders. Okay, it reloads immediately. Okay, so there were 7 freaking orders at the offer at one time. Okay, 93 contracts hit into it. Okay, and the buyers just can't clear it, guys. The buyers just can't clear it. Okay, so I get filled there at 85. My key level right here is 86, and I want to see if that reloads. Only one contract trades that, and it immediately the seller comes in again and hits the 85. Okay, so usually when the offer gets really thin like this, or as you saw just a while ago, when it drops down to a really small number, like the 7, 8, 9, 10, or whatever, or even like 50, and no one can clear it. Alright, that kind of shows a temporary shift in the momentum. Okay, so as you can see, somebody just came in and hit the 84s. Okay, and the two offers here are quite they are quite firm. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna switch to, with that in mind, I'm gonna switch to my live trade. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so back with my live recording. I'm just gonna start this. So as you can see on my live recording that I didn't get filled at 85. I missed that one. So I wasn't gonna wait around. I was just gonna go ahead and try and get filled at 84. You can see my order is right there, 84. So hoping to get filled there. And let's see what happens. I get filled. Okay. You can see a bit of size actually is trading at 84. Okay, so the offer is reloading there at 84. So if I had my order, I left my order at 85. I'm not too sure if I would have gotten filled at all, because you can see 400 in total traded on the way up, but on the way back down, I'm not sure how much hit back into it, and wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to get filled. So that to me, that was a way better spot to get short anyway. If it was gonna if the trend was gonna continue, that should be the spot. So being 1 or 2 ticks off wouldn't be as bad as just randomly selling the low right there at 78. That was just pretty bad. Okay guys, so I mean, you can see like how wide a stop you would need if you would be a seller of the lows. I don't think most scalpers would be able to hold through this entire thing. Okay, because most scalpers, they will have a really tight stop for the 5 ticks, and yeah, this would just have shaken most retail traders out. So so basically right here I'm about it looks pretty good. The offers, as you can see, are really stacking up there at 83 and 84. Okay, you can see that not much size is actually sitting on the bid. How 81 trades at 81. Okay, so 81 traded at 81, and that bid just completely vanished. Okay, so you can see that these bids are really thin. Okay, so 596 easily trades through the 80s, and so right now you basically have a choice, right? So you got in at the best possible price at 85 or 84. That's really the best possible price. If you are really a pure scalper, it makes sense to simply just take it right off here at 79, where you get your quick 4 to 5 ticks, because double bottoms and lows are basically very logical areas to cover. Or you could, if you're longer term, slightly have a longer term mentality, you can wait for the low to break, which I did in this case. So waited for the low to break. You can see it breaks really easily the second time round. Okay, and that's why I don't like to sell the lows on the first touch. So right now I'm just simply trailing my stop. Okay, all I'm doing is I'm just looking for some signs that the market is having difficulty moving lower. Okay. So right here I'm looking for the break of the 78s. They got through, and this is where the large size typically comes in. So 290 hits the 78s, and the offer immediately piles up. Again, 51 hits. I noticed that there's a bit of difficulty getting through the 78s right there. 76ers, sorry. So 411 traded right there, and straight away the offer is getting hit again. So you can see a bit of size there, trading at 78. Okay, 76. So 879 actually traded at that point. Basically, the most number of contracts traded there. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and take my 8 ticks. Not too shabby for a quick little trade like that. Obviously I could have gone down a little bit more. There was still a lot of pressure to the downside. 489's hit, 399 hits back the 75s. I probably would have just went ahead and covered that. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna be too picky about being 1 or 2 ticks off my target, considering that I'm still trading 1 contract. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the replay. As you can see right here, I get my it breaks through. Okay, so I get my 1 tick first target right there, and I'm really just looking for a continuation of this down move. Okay, guys, as you can see, these setups are really powerful. Okay, these pullback setups are really powerful setups. So see if it can break the low. Maybe I can squeeze another I don't know, 15 ticks out of that. Let's go ahead and speed that up. See if we can get filled. Trades that. Bit of size there. It's at 72. I get filled. And yeah, basically that was the move that we were looking for. So really quick short little lesson right there, guys, as to why I really advise against going for the breakout, because you may get the idea right, but remember, guys, this is what retail is doing. Okay, retail is getting short right there at the low. Okay, the professionals are getting short at a better price. Okay, if you think about it, it makes complete sense. The retail traders are the guys that are basically the last to the party, and the professionals are the guys that are looking for the better price, the pullback, the higher probability trade. Okay, guys, so trade with the pros. Trade like the pros. Don't be a sucker and donate your money. That's just no good. It's not gonna help you in the long run. Okay, guys, so quick little video there. Hope you all learned something from that, found it useful. Give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, so good luck trading. Take care. Cheers.